Good morning student. Today we are going to continue our synthetic fiber and plastic chapter. Our next topic is nylon. It is first synthetic fiber prepared by DuPont Company in 1931 from coal, water and air. Let us see its properties. Strong, elastic and lightweight, dries easily and does not require ironing. It is lustrous, means shine. Its thread is stronger than a steel wire. You see, it is very strong, light in weight. Okay, and it is not attacked by fungus, moth and chemical. It means you know that your mother used to keep naphthalene balls after winter in all the woolen garments, but this nylon fiber does not need such type of any moth repellent. Understood? And as it is non-biodegradable, so not attacked by fungus also. Uses. It is used for making saris, socks, necktie, okay, and elastic hosiery. Hosiery means undergarments, banyan. Okay, it is used because it has elastic nature, so it is used even in the socks also. Socks are also elastic, so it is used to make it. It is used in manufacturing of parachutes, tents, climbing ropes, and cords. Okay, so you might have already seen the mountaineers who are going for that rock climbing, okay, or so they used to use nylon ropes for that. Okay, why? Because you are already knowing that its fiber is stronger than even steel wire. Okay, and it is used in making parachutes, okay, as well as cords. I told you the last period the cords is a part in a tire. It is under the rubber and it gives strength to the tire. And third point is it is used in making bristles of brushes. Okay, what is bristles? That part of the brush by which we used to clean our teeth, है ना, जो फाइबर जैसा स्ट्रक्चर रहता है जिससे हम अपने दांत साफ करते हैं उसे ब्रिसल्स कहते हैं, तो वो नायलॉन का बना होता है. फिशिंग नेट्स, कर्टन, स्लीपिंग बैग्स, सीट बेल्ट्स, ऑल आर मेड अप ऑफ नायलॉन fiber. Now we are going to deal with the next topic, polyester. Here polyester, it is consisting of a functional group. Okay, in higher class you will study functional group in the organic chemistry. Their functional group is COOR. Okay, and it is a polymer of many ester units. Terylene is the most commonly used form of polyester. Terylene is the common form of fabric. Here we are going to deal with the properties of polyester. What are the properties? Lightweight, strong and elastic in nature, resistant to stretching and shrinking. It is resistant to wrinkles and easy to wash. It is resistant to moth also. Means again we don't need any naphthalene balls to keep with this. It means it is non-biodegradable. Uses, it is used to make sari, dress materials and curtains also. It is used to make polyester film, mylar. Okay, just like in the cassettes and recording tapes you might have seen, no, a tape type of structure, that is that. And magnetic recording tapes. And third point is for making sails of sailboat. Sail means this part, okay, which help boat to sail. Understood? So this is the sail, okay, and how this boat move? Because of that wind. Okay, and fourth point is it can be blended. Blended means mixing of natural fiber with that of the synthetic fiber. Here cotton and wool are natural fiber which used to mix with the polyester fiber. Polyester is a synthetic fiber, cotton and wool are natural fiber. So when polyester plus cotton mix together, they form polycord, जिसे हम terrycord भी कहते हैं. Students, do you know your shirt is made up of terrycord? Okay, why it is made up of terrycord? Because you know cotton is very comfortable to wear, but The problem is that it need lot of care. Cotton clothes need lot of care, means you have to iron daily, okay, because it will develop wrinkle also. But what about polyester? Is wrinkle free, and 60% cotton plus 40% polyester is used to make polycot, means that fabric from which your shirt is made. Now polyester plus wool means polywool, terry wool. You might have seen, so many people used to wear shirt during the winter season, and that is actually the blended fabric made from polyester plus wool, that is called the polywool, that is the terry wool. And the fifth one is, it is used for making conveyor belt and water hoses. Hoses means pipe as well as. What is the meaning of conveyor belt? In higher class you will study in the metallurgy chapter that iron ore is used to take away from one place to another with the help of wheel, and that is covered with this part of the fabric which is called the conveyor belt. Okay, now next topic is acrylic. It is synthetic fiber made from polymer. Name is polyacrylonitrile. What is the name? Polyacrylonitrile, which closely resemble wool. So properties are lightweight, soft and warm, resistant to moth, chemicals and oil, and easy to wash and dry quickly. So these are the properties. And what are the uses? Uses to make warm clothes like shawls, sweaters and blankets. मीन्स आपका जो विंटर सीजन में यूज़ होने वाला कंबल इस एक्रिलिक फाइबर का ही बना रहता है. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड, यूज टू मेक फर्निशिंग फैब्रिक्स एंड कारपेट्स. इट इज़ यूज टू मेक ऑनिंग्स. ऑनिंग्स मीन्स होता है त्रिपाल. कभी आपने देखा हो कोई चीज़ को कवर करने के लिए, बारिश से बचाने के लिए त्रिपाल कवर करी जाती है, उसको भी बनाने के काम में आता है. प्लस कुछ होटल्स या रेस्टोरेंट में कुछ डेकोरेशन के लिए भी यूज़ में आता है. सो बोट सेल एंड व्हीकल कवर. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. इट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड हैव हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ. टेंसाइल मीन्स होता है लचीलापन, कि वो हम उसे खींचेंगे तो वो कितना खिंच सकता है. इलास्टिक एंड स्ट्रेचेबल. ओके. एंड soft and comfortable also. And fourth point is do not wrinkle and maintenance free. Fifth is do not retain water and dry quickly, means they are drip dry fibers because it do not contain any water, retain any water. And sixth is less expensive. Disadvantages. So do not absorb water or sweat, that is it is uncomfortable to wear in hot and humid weather. Second, non biodegradable, means not decomposed by bacteria and fungus. This is very this important point, that's why we do not prefer it also, because it causes pollution. Third is require careful ironing because it can stick there, melt there. Fourth is chemicals and can harm skin. Fifth is catch fire quickly and cause severe burn. Now we are going to see activity.